how to make DIY fabric softener with lavender and vinegar. Okay, lavender oil. This is lavender. Load your clothes. You put the clothes in that you need to wash, normal washing cycle, and the trick is instead of using the fabric softener, detergent and vinegar plus lavender oil. Put the detergent how you usually do it, the powder or liquid. Plain vinegar, it's 4.5%. You put it halfway or fill up the tray, not too much, not too full, like something like this, and 5 drops of lavender oil. 5 drops. You can even see the oil on the surface there, how it's sitting on the surface. Make sure you save this. This is precious stuff. It will start washing cycle, and closer to the end of the washing cycle it will put the vinegar and the lavender and make the clothes soft and perfumey. From now it's the usual, just like a regular washing cycle, and the bonus here is that you don't have to pay for the fabric softener. The vinegar is much cheaper than fabric softener, and you have the option not to use the lavender oil if you don't want to make the clothes perfumey, but it's an option. You can use other oils, tea tree oil or any other essential oils that you like the smell of. Stuff here. Now it's ready, and let's see what's there. Some of the oil is still there. The oil might stay there if you put too much vinegar, but okay, if you leave it open it smells nice in the room, so not a big problem. Most likely it's water actually and the oil, because it's always on the surface there, but it was very little compared to how much I put before. Maybe it was 1 or 2 drops left. It smelled like lavender in the room, and also it lasted a few hours actually. Thanks for watching.